In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate tasks with Zapier. If you've ever wished repetitive work would take care of itself, this walkthrough will show you how to build a simple, reliable automation from start to finish. First, sign into your Zapier account. From the dashboard, click Make a Zap to open the editor. Think of a zap as an if this, then that rule. Give it a clear name so you know what it does at a glance. Next, choose your trigger, the if. Pick the trigger app you want Zapier to watch, like Gmail or Google Forms. Then choose the trigger event, such as new email or new form response. Connect your account when prompted and approve the permissions so Zapier can read just the data it needs. For the best results, make sure there's at least one recent example in that app, like a sample email or a test form submission. Click Test Trigger and confirm Zapier finds real data. You'll see fields like subject, sender, or form answers. This sample powers the rest of your setup. Now set up your action, the then. Click the plus icon to add an action step. Select your action app, for example, Trello, Slack, or Google Sheets, and choose the action event, like Create Card, Send Channel Message, or Create Spreadsheet Row. Connect that account, and when mapping fields, use the Insert Data options to pull information from the trigger. For instance, map the email subject to the Trello card title and the email body to the card description, or map a form response to specific spreadsheet columns. Add helpful context, like a link or a label, so what gets created is immediately useful. Before you finish, run a test. Click Test Action and then check the destination app to verify a card, message, or row appears correctly. If something looks off, adjust your field mapping or formatting and test again until it matches what you expect. When everything looks good, toggle your Zap on. From now on, each new trigger, like an incoming email or a fresh form response, will automatically run the action you configured. Keep an eye on Zap runs in your Zapier dashboard, especially the first day, to confirm everything is flowing smoothly. Small naming tweaks and clear field mappings make automations easier to maintain. That's it. You've created a complete automation in Zapier. Define the trigger, set the action, test thoroughly, and turn it on.